The High Court concluded that this matter should be taken to the Syariah Court. So this afternoon the High Court declined jurisdiction and therefore did not consider the merits of the complaint. So my clients are considering their options and considering appealing this to the Court of Appeal because the issue has not been tested before. I think it's the first time a fatwa is being challenged by way of judicial review. So obviously it will need mature consideration, but I understand that my clients want to appeal it. Yeah, they want to take it to the Court of Appeal. Now, from our standpoint, it's perfectly understandable that courts will take different positions. As I said, this argument has not been taken up before. There's perhaps some need to clarify the impact of fatwa as law. Because under our system, fatwas are considered as subsidiary, a form of subsidiary legislation. They have force of law. I think it's important to understand that there was no challenge to the power to make fatwa in general. I think that everyone respects that. Everyone respects the fact that the fatwa committees can make fatwas. So the question really is, what is the scope, the permissible scope and extent of fatwa? That's the question. Because fatwas can, such as in this case, go into matters that actually deal with the public sphere. So for example, in this case, the fatwa was directed to the MCMC, which is a federal agency, strictly speaking not a person professing Islam, such as would be within the jurisdiction of the Syariah Court. So there are questions like that which we have to understand, because as the nation develops, more issues of this nature will come up. And as the Islamic administrators feel that they have to issue fatwa to guide Muslims, we just need to understand where the limits of those fatwas are and what form that guidance can take. Bearing in mind that we do have a system that in which the public sphere is governed by federal law. So we're trying to understand how that intersection works when you put the Islamic sphere with the public sphere of this country, and really that's all this case was about.